Hello, my name is Barbara Lewis with Singing After 40. Welcome. Today I want to talk about high notes in the context of leaps, difficult leaps. Some songs start with an octave leap, and that can make it a little bit tricky when you're right off the bat having to go into these wide leaps. For instance, this one. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. So it starts with an octave and then it comes back with another leap. And another famous one with an octave leap is this one. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. So what you want when you're thinking about that opening phrase is to bring the top note down to the bottom one so that they meet somewhere in the middle. The bottom comes up, the top comes down. That's what I'm going to explore today in this video on making high notes seem lower in our brains and therefore in our voices too. Stay tuned. If you like what I offer you on this channel, please subscribe. So I want to get into an exercise right away so that you can practice this, because we all run into these kinds of octave leaps, even wider leaps in classical music. So here's what I do in order to practice it. I'm going to go into the speech area, more of a pop range. I would do yeah. If I was having trouble with that, I would do 1 to 5 to 1, so that's a fifth. Then I would do the octave, keeping in mind that everything stays compact and close to you. I would do this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm thinking of the bottom coming to meet the top coming to meet the bottom. So both of them are in a very accessible range in my voice, mentally. A lot of stuff is happening inside your mouth, of course, but I'm not going to speak to that in this moment, except to say that in this lower part of the range, this is in more the speech pop range, that you keep a very compact mouth. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I give a little space in the back of my teeth. Then I would take that up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Also, I feel like I'm giving a little bit of breath energy. Staying strong in my upper body. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you see how that's happening? It's strength here. I stay strong in my upper body. I keep a compact mouth. And I'm thinking of the top coming down, the bottom coming up. That really helps a lot in the lower range if you're singing in the pop range, if you're a speech voice singer. So give it a try. Just as you sit there, just see what you can do. I'll play. Well, first I'll sing it, and then you'll do it after me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your turn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your turn. You can take it up if you want. Try this one. One more. Okay, so that's what you would do. Start in a range where it's pretty much where you're singing in your song. Take it a little higher, take it a little lower, just so that you feel the narrowing of the leap. You want in your brain to feel that you're not going way up there for that upper note. If you're a head voice singer, it's the same concept, except it's quite a bit higher. So I would do the same thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Except as I get higher in singing the head voice, the more classical range. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. As you can see, I need to open a little wider. You may not need to open as much as I do, or more. I'll do it from the side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is the approach that I take with a leap that's giving me trouble. I bring it back to something very basic that's a technical exercise. And then from there, I will take that feeling that I have in my mind, that I have in my throat, back into the song, and I might do the song itself just on yeah, yeah, yeah in the area of the leap, or the whole song, just so I get a feeling of it staying very compact, very within reach. Give it a try and let me know what you think. I'd love to have your comments and suggestions. I wish you great singing, and I hope to meet you one day. Bye-bye.